boy Gerb's about to get on it. Alright guys, it is super freaking nice out today, guys. Solid 60, sunny, and I have to take advantage of that. So today is going to be a pretty big day. Motivated right now to get some work done on the K24. So I'm sick and tired of just looking at this stuff every day, guys. Every day I come in here and I'm like, dude, I got to get this finished. I got to get this finished. Today, I'm going to semi-mount the head back onto the lower block, and I can put my new studs in, basically. And I'm just waiting, honestly, on my torque wrench to get here. But I'm going to get the new head gasket on. I'm going to put the head back on. Look at that. Bam! OEM, baby. RBB. Here. Got 10 of these. Got the good old cylinder head right here, guys. About to mount this on today. Oh yeah, another thing, get used to the car sitting there, because I am doing the swap right here. Since it's my first K24, guys, I'm not gonna go too crazy. I said this a few times. I'm gonna run it, see how it does, hopefully hit the track a ton of times. If anything happens to it, I will either rebuild it then, or I'll pick up another newer one and rebuild it from scratch then. But I have faith in this motor, guys. I think it's going to be a good one. Part number for a 2004, 2005 TSX K24 A2 head gasket. So I just real quick want to see if the old gasket, which is right here, I want to see if this is the same thing as this here. So let's mount it right up. Yep, same fitment, guys. 2 exhaust manifolds. Kind of want to get rid of those, but I did get the carbon buildup off of this top part and the bottom throughout all 4, basically, except I could probably get a little bit more off of that. But I think, aside from going to a machine shop, this is the closest I'm gonna get for like a backyard. All right, guys, the head is ready to be mated onto the block. I cleaned this whole mating surface. Got the new Honda OEM head stud right here. Yep, same size, guys. Studs are gonna work. I always get sketched out because I'm buying from a US DM K24 A2, and this is the JDM. If you guys need the head stud part number for the K24A and the K24 A2, this is it right here, guys. Midnight looking fresh. Look at that. Probably wondering how my cylinder walls didn't really rust out. Well, honestly, every week I would come out here, basically rotate the crank like I'm doing now, and just have all the oil push up and down the cylinder walls. And sometimes I would add like a little baby, like a quarter of a cap, not even, and just dump like a couple drips in each one, rotate it again, and I would just literally get everything circulating. Because you could see on that one right there, there's a little bit of oil dripping down. Spraying this mating surface down a little bit with some brake clean, and I'm literally just gonna hit it with a Scotch-Brite too, carefully, just all around that surface. It's pretty clean for the most part, but all right, guys, here's a better look at both of the dowel pins. I was able to get this one off of the cylinder head, and it just slid in. So now I know for 100% that the head gasket is aligned on the mating surface, and I was just going to use it on the head, but I had to take it back apart and just have the reassurance because I don't want any issues with the head gasket not sealing right and all that. So she's on officially. I can go ahead and reinstall the head back on. New head gasket is on. You can barely see it, but still got to torque it down, obviously. But you want to line this side up first, guys. The pin that's on the block, use that to align it, and then finagle the back, and it'll slide in on the alignment pin. But our head studs in, so I need to lubricate the head studs with new oil. See, they're all pretty much in the slots, and these are 14 millimeters, guys. And I'm just gonna hand tighten all around first. We're gonna start our way in the middle and then work our way out, guys. Put your head on. Be sure to line up your crank right here. On the JDM, you could see there's an arrow. This could honestly be a little bit more over. Basically, the sequence I'm going to be tightening in, and this is for the K20. I'm pretty sure it's for the K24 as well. So ideally, we're going to start in the middle. So 1, 2, we're going to go to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over here, back to 8, 9, and then 10. So ideally, you're working your way in the middle, center, outer parts of the head. Be basically summing up this video, I just need to put my motion springs in. But before I do that, I'm just going to put some oil in each of the chambers there where the motion springs sit. And I gotta put my cover back on, obviously. This is not in all the way, but didn't want her getting dirty. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. The 10 new head studs, as you guys can see, I still have to torque them. They're just hand tight right now, but everything is flush for the most part. So you can see the little RBB in the corner right there. All right, now I'm gonna end my night with a nice little salad. Pre-roll. Guys, this thing looks freaking sweet, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it